Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix playback error in Amazon Music. So if you see that message in your app, you will need to open your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and just go with Amazon Music on the search bar, Amazon Music, tap it and then tap on Amazon Music. Once it's found, then tap on update to update it to the latest version. So new updates often fix streaming bugs. Also, you will need to update your phone, so just go ahead with your settings or your device settings. Go with the software updates available. It's the second option under your name on the iCloud, and then go with update now if available. That will ensure the compatibility between Amazon Music and your system. Also, you will need to turn off the VPN or proxy because VPNs can cause region-based playback errors, so just disable it and try streaming again. Also, you can just go with reinstalling Amazon Music, and that's the most effective. So just go and you install the app from the Play Store Apple App Play Store, Apple App Store, and you can also go and just tap and over on the Amazon Music, and then you install it. Okay. After then, you will need to restart your phone and then just reinstall it from the Apple App Store. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.